In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and fill out documents in DocuSign. Whether you're handling legal contracts, business agreements, or any digital document that requires an e-signature, DocuSign is a powerful tool for simplifying the process. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you're well equipped to modify and complete your documents efficiently. First, start by opening your web browser and heading over to DocuSign.com. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button prominently displayed on the home page. Go ahead and click on that. It's important to have your login credentials handy because you'll need to sign in to access your account. Enter your username and password, and once submitted, you'll be greeted by your personalized DocuSign dashboard. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Your next move is to look for the Templates option. Selecting this will give you access to an array of pre-designed templates, an incredibly useful feature when you're looking to streamline your document creation process. Choose a template that best matches your needs. Whether it's a real estate agreement or a business proposal, DocuSign's templates can cover a wide range of document types. Once you've picked your template, find the Edit option. This is where you can unleash your creativity and tailor the document to suit your requirements. Clicking on Edit enables you to modify the template, ensuring that all the necessary fields and sections are included. When you're done making changes, click Next to proceed further into the customization process. Here's an essential tip. Take your time here. This stage allows you to edit, position, and customize fields according to your specifications. You can adjust fields for text entry, checkbox selection, or signature placement as needed. This flexibility is at the heart of what makes DocuSign so user-friendly and adaptable for any document type or signature requirement. After customizing the fields, the final step is to ensure that your work is saved. Look for the Save and Close button. Clicking this not only saves your changes, but also prepares your document to be sent off or safely stored within your account. It's a seamless way to finalize your document for sending or future access. And there you have it. This process allows you to quickly edit and personalize documents in DocuSign before finalizing. By following these steps, you ensure a professional presentation and easy management for electronic signatures. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore further within the platform. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find DocuSign as effective and user-friendly as I do. Happy documenting!